Welcome back to Teacher Class, and now let's look at this question together. This question is saying that Zoro conducted an experiment as shown below. Again, when you're talking about an experiment, you must remember you will have something like aim, you will have like change variable, you have a constant variable, means there's something that should be kept the same, and of course we have something like the result. Okay, so let's look at this. Both setup A and B contain the same volume of water and were placed next to a window. So as you can see, same volume of water means that this is basically the what? The constant variable. Means that they are providing the same volume of water. Next, were placed next to a window. They are providing the same environment. Again, that is the constant variable. So we have this actually a lot. Now next, at the end of 3 days, Zoro observed that the more water was left in setup B. So that is kind of the result that's actually happened. This is the result. Okay. So what is the aim of the experiment? Now we are looking for this aim. Okay. And as you know, aim, we always write it in this way. To find out if something affect something, okay? And the one thing that we write here is basically the change variable. The change variable affect the result, okay? So let's try to observe these two plants, these two setups, and let's try to find out what are actually being changed. So as you know, there's the same volume of water. So leaf, everything is good. Yeah, the same plant, same setup. But you notice that this is actually the root, but here there is actually no root, but it's only the stem wrapped in plastic. Means that stem out B actually don't have root. Here, don't have root. Okay, so it's kind of important here. That is basically a change variable. The roots, the presence of root. So let's try to look at here. To find out if oil is needed. No, that's not a change variable, right? Both setup have oil. So wrong. To find out if air is needed. Now, both setup actually is placed with oil, so it blocked the presence of oil. So again, this is not something that changed, it's something the same. Number 3, to find out if roots are needed. Roots, they're mentioning about roots, for plants to absorb water. And again, roots is our change variable. And plants to absorb water, again, the water that left is basically our result. So option 3 seems like it's true. How about 4? To find out if presence of light affects the growth of plant. Presence of light. Again, they are being placed next to a window. They are experiencing the same environment. So that is actually a constant variable. So it's not a change variable. So 4 is wrong also. So the answer for option number 4 is question number 4 is option 3. To find out if roots are needed, the plants to absorb water. And that's all for this question, and I hope you learned something. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.